There's nothing in here that's going to bite, is there? Ah! That feels odd.
Ooh.
Like a hand or a hook.
Oh, it's so cute. Feels a bit old and wrinkled, Jodie's. Good. I've literally never seen that.
Okay, this game's called Doctor Who's What's in the Box. There's something in there, a prop from the show, and we can only find it by feeling it, and then we can pull it out, so...
Huh?
Oh, this is easy. Sonic screwdriver.
Oh, it's Sonic. Sonic screwdriver. Yes, I got it right. Ding, ding, ding.
You know what? That's the first time I've been allowed to feel it. Jodie doesn't let me mess with it.
Okay. Okay.
There's nothing in here that's going to bite, is there? You know, these are all props. There's not animals anywhere.
Is it stuck to someone? Why would I ever know this?
Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's something that should be bigger.
It got shrunk.
Yes.
House, Dan's house, Dan's little house, yeah?
Dad's house?
Oh, yeah. That's where I live.
Yeah! Oh, it's so cute. What got shrunk early on in this season?
Oh, someone's house. Dan's house got shrunk. Oh, as if I was going to know that. I've never seen that.
Oh, what's that?
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Feels horrible.
Ooh, that's damp. Oh, that didn't feel very nice.
I don't like that. I don't know, I don't like it.
We have done a lot of filming on farms. It's not a bit of one of the sheep, is it?
It's a cobweb. From my trailer.
Is it? I ain't got a clue. I ain't got a clue. What is that?
Why a cobweb? Oh, wasn't it in the TARDIS?
Stuff that was in the TARDIS when the TARDIS was damaged. Didn't have a special name, it was just cobweb.
Oh, it isn't though, is it? That's not what we used. What? Did we?
That doesn't look anything like a cobweb.
Well, it's obviously someone's hand.
It's like a hand or a hook.
Whose hand have I seen?
Whose hand would it be? Oh, got a clue.
Feels a bit old and wrinkled, Jodie's.
Is it a creepy weeping angel hand? Yes!
Statue's hand, like a weeping angel or something. Why would their hand be like?
A weeping angel.
What?
Circle. It's got a shape in.
Ah, this is a piece of the TARDIS.
The Sontaran's hand shape.
No, it's the entrance to somewhere we had to put our hands on.
Oh, I know what this is. It's a Sontaran entrance pad. Yes!
Oh, the Sontaran ship, the control panel of the Sontaran ship. Yeah.
The Sontaran's hand scanner.
Yeah. Like, really?
Yes!
Oh, I'm pleased with myself for that.
Hey!
Ooh, hello.
Oh, it's... What?
Oh.
I don't know.
That feels odd. Does it connect to something else?
It's obviously someone's weapon of mass destruction. Sword.
I've not got a clue.
I'm going to say I don't know this. I feel confident to not know. Oh, it's a Sontaran baton. Gutted. Mandy'll never get that.
I've never even seen that, must I?
A baton. Someone did a baton. Like the Sontarans had a baton. Sontaran's baton!
Mandip wins.
I've literally never seen that ever.